How to make a good Facebook ad design with Canva app in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a good and cool Facebook ad design. So first thing you have to do, go to Canva app like this and then go down below and click on this plus icon. After you click on it, go to the search bar and search for Facebook ad like this, and it will give you this option. Click on it and wait a few seconds until you find this page. Now on this page you will find Facebook ad templates. Click on this one for example, and now you can change the photo by replacing it here, or change the text by clicking on it 2 times. For example, financial wall, and you can change the website here or change anything from here. It's very easy to use. As you can see, you can change anything and it's on the high quality. After you finish, click download and click here and everything will be done. Don't forget to like and subscribe.